Thanks.
What?
Well, don't put this bit in because I'm not ready.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, you look gorgeous.
Don't put that bit in there. So, hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. As you can see, we're in the caravan again, and I don't know if you can hear, but it's raining.
It is raining. Absolutely piddling.
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 Raining cats and dogs.
It is, yes.
So, we've got a slight unboxing. Or
This is a chunk of an unboxing.
this is a bit of a chunk of an unboxing. I hope it's what I think it is. If not, we're going to look a fool. But it can only be this.
It can.
Because it's a big box.
A very big box.
And my wife decided she's going to kill me if it's a barbecue.
Do, do, do.
So, this is the box. Can you see that?
I think I'm going to have to take that off there and video you.
Well, if I put it just down there, and
Well,
I'll just open it. Don't worry.
but we do actually need this. This is for the van.
You sure? You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do need a new barbecue.
No.
There we go.
And what's that?
Well, that is the
What
invoice.
smells?
Ah, bacon. There we go.
Thank you, Shan.
That's fine. Now, let's see if we can. Anyone guess?
Any guesses?
Guess.
Yay! And it's a new
Jockey
jockey
wheel.
wheel.
Because our jockey wheel has a big chunk out of the tyre.
Yes.
It's a solid tyre, but there's a big chunk missing. And also we noticed the last couple of times we've been away, when you wind it to a certain point, it drops, so it's dropping on the thread inside. So we decided, new wheel. So we saw, who was it now? Graham,
Yes.
the caravan vlogger. So he mentioned about the Kartt Jockey Wheel. More than once.
He did.
He did. So we have decided to buy
A Kartt Jockey Wheel.
the Kartt Jockey Wheel. So here it is. There we go. And I will be fitting this on the van.
Let's park on this side.
Oh, it's a heavy old beast. A beast of a jockey wheel this. So I'll be putting this on the van, taking the old one off. I'll show you what the damage is on the old one. And
You can't miss the damage on the old one.
no, you can't miss the damage on the old one. And tell you a little bit about this one.
Right.
So we got the leaflet out of the box.
Right.
And you're going to read it.
Yeah, the fitting instructions. It's recommended to use PP gloves.
Gloves.
To protect from grease.
Got some marigolds.
Marigolds. Steel toe cap boots.
Got flip-flops.
Well, you've certainly come prepared.
I did last time when we broken toe.
Right, check that the wheel and tyre of your new jockey wheel will fit within the A-frame the same way as the current jockey wheel.
Yeah, it doesn't actually fit inside the A-frame. It goes on the side on this van.
Check that the outer tube diameter of the new and old jockey wheels are the same, usually 48mm.
Yeah.
Please note that 99% of jockey wheels separate as outer and inner assemblies, with sufficient ground clearance and supporting the A-frame front of caravan. The jockey wheel, therefore, can be easily placed.
Yeah, if it goes inside your A-frame, you can actually unwind it and put the bottom part through and the top part on and wind it back on again. Ours actually bolts to the side of the A-frame, so we don't need to worry about it.
No. Make sure that the caravan is on a level and even hard surface.
Can we have a hard service?
And the handbrake on the towing coupling is engaged and the caravan wheels are locked.
Yes.
Okay. Wind the jockey wheel down so the caravan tilts backwards, but without any part of the rear end hitting the ground.
Well, yeah, that would be a bit funny, that wouldn't it?
No, it's my caravan. Right, fully lower the front corner steadies, then fully lower the rear corner steadies to take the weight of the A-frame. Never use the corner steadies as jacks.
No, never do that.
Removing the old jockey wheel. Firmly holding the top of the jockey wheel, unclamp and unwind until the inner tube wheel and tyre separates from the outer tube and falls out.
Can I just put in here?
Can I just say this is why you need your steel toe cap boots now?
Why?
Because you're accident prone and you're going to miss some toes.
I'm not accident prone. And secondly, those instructions you're reading are for people who have got a jockey wheel inside the A-frame. We haven't. We don't have to take it apart. Is there another section? Or is that just it?
No, that's it.
Oh.
So,
Don't need that.
okay.
But you would, if you had the jockey wheel inside the A-frame, yes you would, and I would suggest having the steel toe cap boots because it is a heavy.
It is very
boots.
heavy.
The one we ordered takes, I think, a weight of 250 kilos, where a lot of them only take 150.
Yeah.
But that will take 250 kilos, and it's also got a lock mechanism on the top of it.
It has.
So once you wind it in to what height you need it, you can lock it in place.
Yeah.
So hopefully I'll be able to show that to you once we get it fitted to the van.
Yeah. Also, should we say as well about if you order it from the Caravan Club site, if you're a member, you actually get it a bit cheaper from Kartt.
Yeah, which I can't remember what percentage it was, but basically paid for the delivery charge.
Yeah.
So, you know, you basically get it for free delivery.
Yeah.
So, because that's what we done.
We did.
Yeah.
Yes, I ordered it from the Caravan Club site, which we've had a bit of a wait for. I mean, I ordered it, I think, in March. But because everything's been closed down, we've only just received it because they were closed as well. But they were very good about it, weren't they? Still let us order and everything.
Well, there's no rush for it because we couldn't go anywhere.
Well, true. So, now it's time for the steel flip-flops.
Steel flip-flops. That's all right, I've got steel toes.
And I'm going to take a video of his toes as well, just to show you that I am right in what I'm saying.
What?
You've got flip-flops?
Yeah, I've got flip-flops.
Okay, and we shall see you in a minute.
I'll get the cover off.
Here we are outside, and as you can see, Mr. Flip-Flop Man.
Flip-flop.
Yeah.
This is what caravanning is all about.
But it does say to wear hobnail boots, you know.
I know, but I haven't got it.
As you can see, ours is on the outside.
I'll just release the pressure off. Okay. As you can see, the wheel, big chunk missing. Can you see that?
Yeah.
There you go. So, one jockey wheel, and there's the chunk. I'm going to take this home.
Bit of a big chunk, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to take this home and take it apart and see if there's anything we can do with the thing inside. But for the time being,
quite easy to get off as well, isn't it?
This one is, yeah, very easy. What we're going to do is unwind this a bit.
We'll also put links up as well for anybody who's interested.
There we go.
There, nice new jockey wheel.
All on. Fitted.
Didn't take long at all, did it?
Nope, all done. So, Just try and put the cover back on.
There we go.
All done.
All done. Thank you for watching.
And thank you for letting me get wet.
And thank you for bringing me out in the rain.
Bye.
Bye.